Welcome to Financial Paul YouTube module, YouTube Mastery. Now in this video, we will be starting out with the first thing you do since you have gotten a YouTube channel. This mastery comes with a YouTube course. With a YouTube course, 10 modules to 15 modules, and then also I will be giving you as an after sales gift, which is a free YouTube channel that has already been monetized and also has already had 1,000 subscribers. So some of the YouTube channel would already have $5 on it, $1, $2, 50 cents. So like I told you in the first video, you really need to take action. Like, you already have a YouTube channel doesn't mean that you already have a YouTube channel that is monetized. You have to put in the work. You have to post minimum of once a day, and once you put in the work daily, I bet you if you can post every day, your first month you should be getting towards $50. Yes, in your first month you should be getting towards $50, and I will be sharing with you face YouTube channel, faceless YouTube channel. So whichever you want to kick off with, I'm going to dive in deep on each and every one of them. Now your YouTube channel is coming up. Now this course is going to come first. Why am I giving you guys the courses first, and then I'm going to supply the YouTube channel login details after 1 week? This is my own check to make sure that I put check in place. You don't have to just go into the YouTube and start doing something up and down. No, this course is going to come to you. Take your time to watch it. After you have watched the course, I'm giving the subscribers to this free course, I'm giving you guys 1 week. After 1 week, I will now send you all your login details of your YouTube channel that I am giving you, which already have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers that has already been monetized. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Now, what should you do? Watch these videos that I'll be playing out for you from the beginning to the end. From the beginning to the end, I talk about face YouTube channel, I talk about faceless YouTube channel, I talk about online tools that can help you generate content, I talk about the power of consistency, I talk about several things that will help you make money on this YouTube masterclass. So I'm very glad that you are in it. This video is just telling you that you should watch the video from the beginning to the end, and then after you are done watching it to the end and I've now given you the mastery course, then there is also another video that comes with the mastery course. There's another video that comes with the YouTube login details. Now that video is going to show you how you are going to change the login details. It's just like having a new Gmail. So you're going to change the user and the password is going to be yours. You're going to link it to your AdSense account. You're going to link it to your bank details so that the money can begin to do a drop. Now, what should you do? Firstly, as you're watching this video, anytime you have your spare time and you walk into the bank, I want to encourage you to open a UBA dollar account. Open a UBA or any of these banks, Nigerian banks. I use UBA. I use UBA. That's why I quickly called UBA for my YouTube earnings. So they will be giving you, open a DOM account, open Naira, pounds, dollar. Pounds, dollar, euro. You already have a Naira account. So when you open this down, then make sure you see your account manager so that you can ask for some codes peculiar to your bank, the sort code, country code, because these are the things you'll be putting in your bank details online while you are doing the AdSense changing. So this also is going to be showing, I'm going to be showing you this practical when you have received your login details. Now, while you are watching the video that talks about you growing and making money on YouTube, within this 1 week, I want you to do what? I want you to do this homework, which is opening a foreign bank. For those who don't have a foreign bank, for those that have a foreign bank, good work. You don't need to do that. And then at the end of this video, and you have gotten the YouTube course and you have gotten the login details, then you can now start editing, changing your password so that you can secure your YouTube account. So that is it for this video. Now we are going to move straight into starting out your YouTube channel, what you need to understand, and how you can grow from 1,000 to 10,000 to 50,000 to 20,000. What you need to do, the gadgets you need to start with, how should you go about it? Do you want to do face YouTube channel? Do you want to do faceless YouTube channel? How do you generate content? These are the things that I'll be sharing in the next video. So sit back, relax as you enjoy this content. Thank you so much. Have a great day.